Welcome to this unboxing video for the Kindle PaperWhite 10th generation and its cover. I got this from Amazon during the Amazon Prime sale, and I think I got about 2000 off on the 12,999 price. Both have pretty good customer reviews, as you can see. You have to pull this strip in order to open this package. It's nicely packed. The packaging is entirely made of paper with the trademark Kindle imprint on it. Inside it, just the regular stuff. The USB charging cable and the Kindle. That's pretty much all. Says water safe fabric cover. The cover looks sturdy on the first appearance. It has got little instructions on how to put Kindle in. And some info about this cover. Along with being sturdy, the texture also feels nice on the hand. And finally, the last plastic on top of the Kindle. Thank you for watching and see you in the next one.